How's it, guys? Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off your hardtop from your Jeep Wrangler JK. Please go and like my page, subscribe and like this video. Next up, I use this hardtop lift to take off the roof. It makes your life much easier. It just takes one person to take it off. I made this myself. I do sell them, so please go look. Let's check. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I get this engine light which refers to a P060DD code. Oil filter housing has been changed, oil cooler has been changed, and this comes and goes. It's not consistent. So I've got no idea what to do there. So let's go put some fuel into this beast and then take it from there. So I found a little gym here in my backyard actually. Let's see where this road takes us. Nice day today, yeah. Nice blue skies, not too much clouds. This looks like I didn't even know about this dirt road here. This is amazing. You can see something there. So if we have a look, there is our highway, around about there. That is Centurion side. This is interesting. Grass is getting long here. Sure. So I kind of screwed up that one, and to be honest, I'm a little bit lost. I've got 2 trails here now, and I don't know which one to take. But luckily we're in a Jeep, very capable of driving just about anywhere. I once had a little bit of an issue back in 2014 with our other Jeep Wrangler I had, the 3.8, and we were in Lesotho where it was snowing. Sorry about that. And the road was iced, and we couldn't pass it. And there were cars crashed everywhere in the mountains. It was horrible. The road was closed basically, waiting for salt trucks to come and just lay some salt on the ice. Not something that we South Africans are used to. We're not used to snow, we're not used to cold, we're not used to ice on the roads. So all I did was I put the Jeep in low range and put it automatic, and then selected first gear from there. And I put my right foot out of the window so I don't press a brake by accident. And I checked my speed constantly, so not to exceed 10 kilometers an hour, because apparently then you start to slide. And it was a downhill mountain pass, and we actually made it. We made it quite fun, and that's when my love for Jeeps it was true. Just started right there, and I knew this is proper. This is what I need. So for everybody, this is my 3rd Jeep. My previous one was my first one was a Jeep Cherokee KJ 3.7 V6. Awesome vehicle, also very capable, but it lacked a diff lock, so that was a bit of an issue for me. My second one was a Jeep Wrangler JKU 3.8 V6. Awesome vehicle, but unfortunately it lacked power, it lacked I'm lost again. It lacked fuel consumption. The fuel consumption was horrible in that thing. So this one is my 2012 Wrangler JKU, but Call of Duty edition makes it a little bit more special to me. Not that I'm a gamer, but it's just it's keeping its worth. It's not declining and depreciating, so that's good. Well, I've got no idea where I am, to be honest. I've come into bushes. This is I think I need to go back. I did see a road here somewhere. This looks like almost a type of a construction dump site for, I don't know. Look. Okay, here's a road going that way. I think I'll take that. If all else fails, I'll just keep a straight path right back home, which I believe is in this direction. I'm not sure. So this is what Jeeps are about. Just going somewhere. Going somewhere you don't even know where you're going. This road looks a little bit better now. I'm gonna continue on this road and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, so I eventually made it back. Here about it. That we came in the road. So let's go back home, put back on the roof and just call it a day. Fun day. Cool, so I made it back home. Let's quickly put on this roof again. This is my roof stand. It's quite simple, just hooks onto that inside and then it is adjustable. So to put this on, quite easy. Open up the tailgate. Just make sure all your bolt clips are in everywhere and voila! It's all just about screwing these back in again. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, sorry about the blurs and all the mistakes and stuff I made. This is my first video. Please go and like us on YouTube, like us on Instagram and click the follow button. Thank you.